Alright, so today's video is that we're gonna start our new
So you're gonna show them how to open a new drawing and how to set up your layers, okay?
Yep, so you go on the big little A, E, at the corner, top left corner, press on that. Now hop on new, go on new, and then on the brush as AutoCAD disco. And press that. Now you press open, and if you don't like this thing, look all the way down. Look all the way down, until you see the grid. You see the grid at the bottom, with lines. Press that off, and then you're not done yet. At first, you want to go on LA.
What else before you set up a layer?
Yep.
Set up a layer first. Go ahead and set up a layer.
So the one you need is dimension.
Tell them how to do it. Tell them how to set up a layer, girls.
And you have to press on the big A, then press new, and then press. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay. Let me show you like an example. If you don't know, press on the big A, press new. I'm saying this again. Now press Auto Disco and then open. And then just go down until you see the lines right here. Press grid off, and yeah. First, you want to set up your layers. Layers are like things that you would hope that they help you draw with. They help you draw. First, you need to do LA. E. It's easier to do LA. And then you press on the explosion thingy. And then you delete it. And the first thing you want to do is do dimension. DIM enter. And then, well, not procedure. And it has dimension should be blue. And you set up a new one, which is construction. So construction is the one that you use to draw. So you just do CON or just write it. Construction should be peach, but there's no peach. So try to use the nearest peach. It's probably like purple would do. Now you change the default. And construction should be 2.5. And a lot of these layers have 2.5. Like dimension has 2.52. Now you do another one. I did 4. Okay. You press on it, delete it. Now what's left is your center line. CENTRE. Center. LINE. Make sure it's all caps. Oops. Oh wait. And then you should change it because that's not the correct color. And it should be green. Expert. I'm looking at my book. At the book you need. That shows you the instructions. Now we go to layer 2. The backspace. Just delete it. And you should do hatch. Okay, don't worry about that one. H-A-T-C and H. Hatch. And it should be brown. But, okay, there is brown. And there is brown. And then you have to change the line weight. 8. Construction, is that done? No. Go to I'm gonna look at hatch. Okay, it's the same thing. It's already correct. Now center line. Center line is 3.0. So that is not correct. 0.03. And then you press that, and then check over. Sorry about that. Okay, so you press on layer 3. You change the color. Go to broken line. BROKEN, broken, LINE, and then you change the color. The color should be white, but there's no white, so try to use the closest one, like gray would be the one, because since there's no white. Right. Now there's the important one. Outline. Outline Outline helps you like you outline it. Like when you're drawing something and it's messy, like you have to color it in. You have to color it, and then it turns to red or black. Black and red would be a good color. And then you go to layer. Then you change the outline. Outline should be it should be black. There is black. You go on. Okay. Wait, I need to see if it's outline. It should be alright. It should be that. Voila. And okay, so now you need to do all the ones. All the ones. No. Oh, you need to do text. Yeah, TEXT text. X should make sure you check over all of it, because text is not right. Okay. And hey, have you noticed that almost all of them is 2.5? Alright, so now 0.25. Have you realized? Alright, so now you set up your drawings and make sure you buy a book called Master Technical Drawings with AutoCAD by E.C. Fraser. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbnail. Bye!